We have a 2015 65 reg Ford Fiesta 1.25 and it's a Zetec model, and it's got a handful of extras like alloy wheels, heated front windscreen, telephone kit, USB, climate control and a few other bits. This one is a category S from the insurance company, which means structural damage. I'll show you that in a second. There's actually a little bit of a scuff there. That'll be painted, it'll just be blended in. You'll not see that when it's done. So nice and clean down that side. And on the front. And on the top. And this corner's all good as well. Get around the side of the back. It's all clean around here. It's good there. And the back all good. On that side there. So this is our bump round here. Someone slid down something down the side. Most of the impact's actually on the door, but luckily we've got another door in the same colour, so that will bolt on. A couple of bolts, 10 minutes and that door will be on, so the fix is going to be here. It's actually all this line here is good at the top, and this arch is nice as well, all the way down to the bottom of the crease, which is good. So the fix is just here, and this is actually very soft, so this will pop out mostly. There's a big dent there. When that's popped out, it'll be tidied, and even this wheel arch is all good down to about the bottom there. So new door on, this will be fixed and it'll be back on the road. It is a structural damage, but because they can't replace this bit, it has to be repaired, so they say structural, but it doesn't make it drive any different, or it's not any less safe. So 33,000 miles, 65 reg, 1.25, nice colour. It's got to be around the £4,000